My purpose of my speech is to persuade the audience that students should be taught how to write in cursive in school. Even though most things are done with a computer and a keyboard in today's time, writing in cursive is still an important skill that we should all have. Most schools do not teach cursive writing anymore, so younger generations do not know how to write in cursive. Computer keyboards have replaced our need to write things all the time, but some things cannot be done on a computer. Even though some may not believe it, being able to write is still an important part of life. Most things are done on a computer and typed instead of written, but you will most likely have to write something every day for the rest of your life, and you can't depend on a keyboard to do it for you. Writing in cursive is a skill that students should be taught early in school because there will be a time when they will need to use it. Writing in cursive is much faster than writing in print. This can be beneficial to students when writing notes and other things in class. Some may say that writing in cursive can make you seem more educated, and I agree. Writing something in cursive rather than just printing it can improve someone's opinion of you. Say that you are applying to a new job and you have to fill out a job application. If someone was to fill out the application in cursive and another person was to fill out the application in print, the person reading it is most likely going to think more of the person that chose to write in cursive rather than print. Also, a cursive signature is required for a lot of things. Overall, writing in cursive is better in my opinion. Most schools do not teach cursive writing anymore because they claim that it isn't important and that there are more important things to teach during school hours. But when teaching children how to write in cursive, that is not all you are doing. Many schools also quit teaching it because they started teaching Common Core, and the mindset of Common Core is that if it is not on the test, then we are not teaching it. There are many advantages to it other than just writing. Cursive writing has more benefits than knowing how to write in cursive the few times that you may be asked to during your life. Here's a PowerPoint that I created to explain how learning to write in cursive when you are young comes with many benefits. Benefits of learning cursive writing in school. Number 1, the child may become a better speller. Research shows that children who learn to write in cursive can spell better too. This may be because they are able to grasp how letters fit together to form words better than students who only write in print. This improves language processing, which is an important skill when spelling. Number 2, the child will be able to form words more easily. Cursive encourages kids to see each letter as one whole word, which makes it easier for children to memorize the word that they are writing. Research also shows that children who write in cursive are less likely to write letters backwards because they wouldn't be able to tie it to the next letter. Number 3, the child could become a better writer overall. Kids who learn cursive not only form words easier, they write better too. Research shows that kids who wrote in cursive have a better understanding of how words should be organized into sentences. Learning cursive can improve brain development. Learning to write in cursive is shown to improve brain development in the areas of thinking, language, and working memory. Those are just a few ways that learning cursive at a young age can benefit children. There's always time to learn cursive later in life, but learning it at a young age is much more beneficial. All elementary schools should be required to teach kids how to write in cursive at some point between kindergarten and 5th grade. Learning cursive does not take that long, and even though some teachers say that there are more important things to teach, I think that cursive writing is very important for students to learn. Requiring schools to teach cursive can benefit not only the students, but everybody because they will know how to write in cursive later in life when it is most needed. Most adults have to write something in cursive every day, And because schools do not teach it anymore, the younger generation will be lost when they are asked to. Learning cursive writing at a young age has many benefits. Computers can do a lot of things, but they can't replace writing completely, and some things are better written in cursive than in print. All schools should be required to teach cursive writing in elementary school because there are many advantages that come with it, and it will be helpful to the children that are learning it and everyone around them.